your girl Devonna Nicole. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I have my icon box. So it is here. We're going to get right into this baby. This is made by IPSY. So this is our quarterly box. This box comes with 8 products. Normally something that's popular, or 8 coveted products is what they say. The box can be valued up to $350. The box costs $65. So we're going to get right into our box. This quarter's box was curated by Aaron and Sarah Foster. I must admit, I don't know who they are. So I did have to look it up on my phone, because I'm like, I don't know who these people are. I'm game to learn somebody new. So let's see, these are 2 sisters that collaborate on various projects, including the podcast, The World's First Podcast with Aaron and Sarah Foster, and a Netflix series, Nobody Wants This. I am not familiar with any of that, but we're going to get right into this box and find out what they kind of picked for the box and what I got inside. So let's get started. All right. So the first item I have in here, I have an Elemis product. I like Elemis. So this is their Peptide Eye Recovery Cream. It says reviving eye cream for tired, overworked eyes. It revives, brightens, and hydrates. And we have 0.5 fluid ounces. I'm going to just pop it out the box so you guys can see what it looks like. And this is what it does look like outside of the packaging. So, you know, you don't need a lot for this. I have not tried this particular eye cream by Elemis. I know I try a lot of their like face creams and cleansing products, but I haven't used any of the eye products. So this will be one to try out, which I can definitely use with me having to wake up so early now to go into the office. I'm not a fan of going into the office. I like going in 4 days a week. Going in every day and waking up early, yeah, I definitely will probably be needing this. So let's go into our next product. The next item I have an Oren Hickinson product, if I can say that right. Yeah, Oren Hickinson. I think I said that right. If I didn't, you guys already know what I'm talking about. So this is the Glow O2H Dark Spot Toner. I am not familiar with this at all. I'm familiar with the brand, but I've never heard of this product. So this product, what does it do? It's a facial toner. So I'm assuming you just use it like normal, like a regular toner. But it says it transforms the way you think about toners, transform your skin. Supercharged with high potency AHAs that target dark spots. Okay. So we'll go ahead and pull this one out here. And this is a nice size bottle too. So a nice full size product. That is what I like about the icon box, that you get the full size products. And I like to try different stuff. This to let me know whether or not I like it if it's a full size. So I do like that. So let's go on to the next thing. Do we have any prices on any of this stuff in here? Oh yes, it does. So guys, this toner is $35 according to our little newspaper here for the Oren Hickinson Glow O2 Dark Spot Toner. So this is valued at $32. And let's see, did they have the Elemis stuff? Yeah, the Elemis. Get out of town, y'all. The Peptide eye cream for Elemis. This is valued at $50 for this little tube. Oh my god. Wow. That's all I can say. Wow. $50 for this. Wow. Okie dokie. Let's go. So the next product I have is Pearl Nova. This is a eye duo stick for eyeshadow. It's eyeshadow liner, it says in here. I'm not familiar with this brand at all. Let's take it out of here and see what it looks like. So we get 2. Hold on. And what colors are these? It says Azurite and Eucalyptus. Okay, these are 2 odd names. Okay, these are the 2 products here. Which one is the shadow and which one is the liner? Azurite. This is, so I guess they work as a shadow and a liner, so you could use it both ways. So that's how the tip looks. This is the Azurite or Azurkite. So this is how that one goes on my skin. And then this one is the Unikite, and that's what that one looks like. And let's roll that one up. This looks more rosy toned than the other one. Let's see. Oh, that one's more rose goldy looking to me. Yeah, that looks more rose gold. So they can be used as a shadow or a liner, they said. So okay, that is cool. So that's what the two colors look like. Let me see if we have any prices on either one of them in here. And we do, I think. This is valued at $44.50, guys, is what this is valued at. So it says swipe, blends, and go. So guys, the next item out my box, this is by Rosie Jane. And I'm familiar with this brand. It looks like I've already put some lipstick on here by accident. So this is, what is this? Lila Lou is the name of the perfume here. This is a perfume. I'm familiar with this company. I love some of the fragrances I've already received from them. So yes, this one is Lila Lou Eau de Parfum. This is valued at $80. So I'm just going to pop it out so you guys can see it outside of the bottle here. And on this channel, you know I love fragrances. So we got to spray. We got to spray it. Let's see here. It's like a citrusy kind of sweet scent is what I'm smelling. Do they tell you anything that's in here on the notes for this? They just tell you that it's $80. Not much more information was provided, but I smell like a citrusy kind of like orange note. It's a very sweet smelling perfume. Not like candy, but sort of like a citrus and maybe a floral or something. But it has a nice fragrance. Yeah, it has a nice fragrance. So does it have it on here what the notes are? I don't see nothing about the notes, so we're moving along. Alright guys, so this again was by Rosie Jane, and this is Lila Lou perfume. So that was valued at $80. So let's go on to the next item. So guys, I have a Rodeo product. This is the lip oil, and it is made with natural oils. So we have a lip oil here by Rodeo. I've never tried any of their lip stuff. Everything they normally send me be like the highlighters, or what else do I normally get from them? I think I did get like a dragon's lip plumper or something from them before, but oh, I like this one. This looks nice. I like lip oils. So this is like a nice sheer clear one, it looks like. Oh yeah, that'd be nice and sheer and clear. I like that. Made with collagen, so it has collagen in it. Let's see if they give us any information about this particular product. The lip oil is valued at $38. This is a plumping collagen lip oil. Collagen and botanical oils hydrate, smooths, and enhances the lip with a sheer pink glow. So love that. So I can't wait to try that one. And let's see what else is in here. So guys, the next item I'm pulling out looks like we have a Vacation Chardonnay oil. Never heard of this product before, but this product is a body oil lotion. Basically it says dry skin couldn't be on you. Slather on this body oil and you'll look like you've been getting your water daily and look hydrated. And it has an SPF of 30 on, so it looks like it's water resistance for up to 80 minutes. So yeah, you have a sunscreen of 30 up to 30 in this one. So this is the vacation oil. It does it have a safety seal, or can I see what it's like? It has a little safety cap on here. Let's see. I like oils. So let's put a little bit on me. Okay, I think that's enough, right? So this is our oil, and I'm gonna just rub it in just to see what it looks like. It is a little bit thick. It says lightweight, so it must kind of, it goes into the skin pretty quickly, it looks like. Yeah, it goes in pretty quickly. I might as well keep rubbing. I did do a few drips too much, but yeah, it doesn't feel heavy on the skin, but it does feel a little bit heavy when you go to like pour it on. It's a bit thick. It kind of, you could probably not use as much on this one, and it'll probably rub into the skin pretty good. So again, this is the Vacation Chardonnay oil. This is valued at, what is this one cost? This one is $22 for this product. So let's go on to our next item. We have a first aid product. Very familiar with this brand. This is a 0.3 retinol complex serum. I have not tried this before. Designed for sensitive skin, which is great if you have sensitive skin. So let's take it out of here so we can see what it looks like outside of the box. This product doesn't give you any prices on here. They said this is an Erin's bag, so she uses this. They look rather young, so I don't think they really need this much yet. But this is valued at $48, and it says that it's a gentle, effective, and totally beginner-friendly first aid beauty 0.3% retinol complex serum, and it is a new nighttime MVP. So you would use this at night, and again, this is $48. And I like retinols, and my skin is pretty used to them, so I think they do help with preserving you. So you should try it if you're over 40 for sure. So we have one more product in here, and that is a palette by Natasha Denona. So this is the bronze palette. They did package this very well. I'm very happy about that. Let's see what information they gave us on this bronze palette. Okay, so this is valued at $69. It has 15 warm tone mattes and shimmers, metallics that make it easy to create your own sun-kissed look. So let's see what we got. And look, I've already put fingerprints on it from the Chardonnay oil. So here is our shades. I think these are very nice. Yeah, this is a very warm, but it reminds me of the fall more than summer, I guess. But yeah, I mean, you can use these shades anytime. You don't have to particularly use them but they're very warm shades. It kind of reminds me of the fall. We have some beautiful metallics. This deep alive looks like a black. So you can use them as bases, wear them alone. Natasha Denona really does a good job. I'm going to swipe like a few, not a lot. I don't know, is my skin dry enough to put it over here with this oil? Alright, so this one is called True Copper. So True Copper. Ooh, that is nice. Then we have Suntan. That's Suntan, guys. Then we have Sundown. Let me get. So this is the Sundown, and I need another finger. Apparently, this is what looks like the black, which is Deep Alive. I'm going to swipe there, right here, and it actually, yeah, it looks more like a dark brown than black. And then let me see if I can get this other one with my thumb. And I'll put that one here. Oh, that one's pretty. That one is called Rhododendron. That one is pretty. So these are just a few of the swipes. I always like Natasha Denona palettes. I think that they're very easy to work with, and the colors go on great. So that is my entire icon box. So in review, let's wrap it up. We got the Natasha Denona Bronze Palette. We have the Pearl Nova Eyeshadow Duo Sticks. We have Leela Lou by Rosie Jane Perfume. We have the Chardonnay Oil. We also have the Elemis Peptide Eye Cream. We have the First Aid Beauty Retinol. We have the Oren Hankinson, what is this? Dark Spot Toner. And we have the Rodial lip oil. So that is my box for the quarter, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. We did get to see some of the colors in these boxes, and I thought this was a good one for me. It was a good mix of skincare and makeup, which makes me very happy. And I also got perfume, which I love perfume. So this was perfect for me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did and you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell. It'll let you know when I next post, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.